kids! Welcome to Alphabet Fun Time! Today we will learn A to Z with happy pictures, fun sounds and a big smile. Are you ready? Let's go! A. A for apple, red and juicy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. B. B for ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Let's play catch. C. C for cat. Meow, meow. The cute cat likes milk. D. D for drum. Dum, dum, dum. Let's make music together. E. E for elephant. Big and strong. The elephant goes trumpet. F. F for fish. Swim, swim, swim. The fish lives in water. G. G for grapes. Sweet and round. Yummy purple grapes. H. H for hen. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The hen lays eggs. I. I for ice cream. Cold and sweet. Ice cream makes me happy. J. J for jam. Spread it on bread. So tasty and yummy. K. K for kite. Flying high in the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. L. L for leaf. Green and fresh. The leaf dances in the wind. M. M for monkey. Jump, jump, jump. The monkey loves bananas. N. N for notebook. Write, write, write. Let's draw and learn. O. O for orange. Round and tangy. Orange juice is healthy. P. P for penguin. Waddle, waddle. Penguins live in the snow. Q. Q for queen. Kind and royal. The queen wears a crown. R. R for rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. The rabbit eats carrots. S. S for sun. Shining bright. The sun gives us light. T. T for teddy. Soft and cuddly. Teddy is my best friend. U. U for umbrella. Open wide. It keeps us dry in the rain. V. V for van. Beep, beep. The van goes vroom. W. W for watch. Tick tock, tick tock. The watch tells the time. X. X for xylophone. Ting, ting, ting. Colorful music time. Y. Y for yak. Big and hairy. The yak lives in the mountains. Z. Z for zebra. Black and white. Zebra runs fast in the jungle. Yay, kids! We did it! We learned all the letters A to Z. Now you can sing, play and learn with your alphabet friends every day. Thank you for watching, kids! Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye!